A Provident fund is a long-term savings vehicle designed to help employees build a financial nest egg for their retirement years. The name implies foresight, which is exactly what these funds are about, preparing today for your future income needs. Usually, a portion of your paycheck is automatically deducted, and in many cases, your employer adds a matching contribution to the total. These funds grow through compound interest over decades, and they often come with strict rules about when you can access the money. Unlike a standard savings account, a Provident fund is locked away to ensure you have resources during your retirement phase. Because of compound interest, the value of your account grows faster the longer the money stays invested in the fund. The earlier you start, the less you need to contribute monthly to reach your long-term financial goals. Check your employment contract to see if you have access to a fund. Remember, this is educational content, not financial advice.